Hey there, and welcome guys to day 12 of coding. We're going to be doing the final NeetCode for just for this roadmap right here for arrays and hashing, the final one. We haven't tried it yet, so we're going to get right into it. So basically, we're given an integer array of nums, return the length of the longest consecutive sequence of elements. So consecutive, which each element is exactly one greater than the previous element. Input nums 2, 20, 4, 10, 3, 4, 5. Output 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. This one output 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So there's definitely something we have to do. So I can already guess that there's gonna be a bunch of cases, a bunch of weird cases with one number, with two numbers, with no numbers. We'll start off. We'll say the longest. We'll start with the longest equals 0. Okay. It's like it wants to spawn cap me every time I start recording. So longest equals so for num and nums. While n plus 1 in nums, while num plus 1, while num plus 1 in nums, the longest for num and nums, while longest plus 1 in nums, longest plus equals 1. I will say plus n, so n equals 1. No, say I'm really tired today, but let's think about what kind of stuff we wanna put in. So while num plus n is in nums. No, but it's not gonna work because it's gonna do that for every number. We only want like I don't even know if this is gonna work, bruh. Expect that out before. Okay, cool. So this definitely did not work. Okay, let's think about it, right? So one thing, we'll remove the duplicates. So we'll go num set equals set nums. We'll say nums equals set nums. Right, so now it's a set, and we'll put our longest equals 0. because I know for a fact there's gonna be these stupid cases where there's no numbers in it. So if there's no numbers in it, I want to return longest, right? So I'll have a return longest here. So now all I have to do is what if there is numbers in it. So if there is numbers in it, I'm doing that. So it's not gonna be that bad. But then exactly one greater than the other. So I don't want to do for num and nums. No, for num and nums, okay? But when I get into nums, okay, so I'm getting into nums right now. I'm looking at this without the 4. So first thing I want to, I think there could be 2. Like there could be a sequence. Like there could, like I don't want there to be a sequence where there's 4 and then a sequence where there's 3, and then I just thought like I picked the wrong one. So because they're gonna try where the num's length is 1000, they're gonna have one where it's like I can't edit test case in this, right? I can. Okay. Well, let's just test out like hypothetically. Ooh, no, I can't. I need to write something here first. So it's gonna give me an error. So for num and nums, what do I want to do? I want to say so. Let's take if num, no. So if num minus 1 is not in nums, then we go through. So this means that for like 3, 2, for all the ones that they're part of the consecutive thing, we ignore them. If num minus 1 is not in nums, it's like, ooh, my bird's actually hurting right now. Yeah, I told trying to look at what 0 end time means. Absolutely no idea what I'm reading. But we'll continue on. So if num minus 1 is not in nums, right? So that means that this is like the lowest number we can get. We'll say length equals what? Or longest equals 1. If longest, if num plus n is in nums, while longest plus equals 1 and plus equals 1. Let's run this. Let's see what happens. Do I get an error or do I just get the wrong thing? It is not in nums. Maybe it's just not is. Maybe I just can't use English. Oh. We got one. Okay, so we got one of the test cases. This one worked perfectly. This one, I think we did it with 2. And then we did it again Okay, so what we're gonna do is I have a big brain solution right now. So I just got a calendar event for. Oh. Yeah, we do not care about those. I have a big brain. I have a big brain situation. Right. So I'm gonna create a new variable called temp. And temp is going to be this longest, and then at the end of this for loop, right, before I switch the number, I'm gonna say if temp is bigger than longest, longest equals temp. Else, no, I don't even need to do an else because right now it's just longest by default. Okay, we got two cases. We got accepted two cases. So now we're gonna test out with these special case. We're gonna put 0. We're gonna put no numbers in there. Okay. We're gonna put 1 number in there. Okay. Hold up. No way I just ascended. There has to be something wrong. What if I put like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2? Okay. There's no way. Bruh. Oh my god. Okay. We'll make sure that these all run the same. Yeah. 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 And then I want to try just 1, 4, 6, 8. Should get 0. Yeah. Oh, 1. Okay, if we submit this, and we got it accepted. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I think I'm actually happy with this one. Low-key, like my brain wasn't working at the start, but it was very good. It was nice. Yeah. It's pretty good. Let's check what the solution did. I think they kind of did what we did too, actually. For n num set, they did a set, they did a longest. If n minus 1, if num minus 1, non-num set, length is 1, while n plus length in num set. Yo, okay, I had a temp there too, and they have a lot. So we actually did like very similarly to what they did, except like they did it smarter. Like I don't know what the hell this length. I guess they used n and temp as the same variable, which like makes sense because when you increase one, you increase the other. But hey, I got the solution, so I don't really care. But yeah.